What is going on? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. So, hold on. Let me get everything set up. How we all doing today? Live on YouTube. Cool. Well, let me tell you something. Do you guys see it? We're not gonna look at any stocks. Like, we're not gonna try to make a watch list until the news comes out. We have our non-farm payrolls at 8:30, which is going to be huge. So no point to try to make a watch list quite yet. But looking at this screen right here, what do you see? Who can tell me? Let's see, Friday, October 6th. Yep, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, labor force. Then we have a Fed speaker at 10, another at 11:25, 12, and then consumer credit at 3. I got to make this a super quick day. So hopefully right at the market open, I can bang something out, make my money, call it a day, and then go set up for the wedding. Because as you guys know, I get married tomorrow. So yeah, got to make it a quick day. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. Would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. Love you guys. That's why I'm here. Anyways, yep, 4-hour squeeze. So let's see, we got 3 bars. Yeah, we're kind of holding above that moving average, but remember that daily 21 EMA was huge. We talked about this yesterday, why I was kind of smack dead in the middle. Yeah, the stocks look bullish, but that daily 21 EMA is a major level. We got within 30-40 cents of it on QQQ, rejected it, dropped for the rest of the day. So now if non-farm payrolls come out, because you can see on QQQ, we kind of got this little head and shoulders going on right here. Shoulder, head, maybe we get a quick little pop and then we come back down and then we end up dropping to the downside. So that's something that we do have to watch. Breaks below 278, squeeze is more than likely going to fire down. What do we know about the squeeze? Well, if it fires down, we're going to see a big move. So big move is coming today. It just depends on non-farm payrolls. Remember, if non-farm payrolls are bad, that is good for the market. If they're good, that is bad for the market. But yeah, so QQQ, 4-hour squeeze. We're going to be watching that today for sure. SPY, 1-hour squeeze, 4-hour squeeze. Going to be watching those very closely. Let's see, SPY and QQQ both in a 4-hour squeeze. Watching very closely today. Let everybody in Team Bull know that right off the bat. Again, or actually not again, because I haven't said it yet. Real quick, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We got 175 people in here and only 47 likes. Remember, if you do want the watch list, got to run it up to 150 likes. So the ball is in your court. Running out of breath today. Anyways, so watch the 1-hour, 4-hour squeeze there. The only thing that still has me concerned, and again, we talked about this, was the Dixie, or is the Dixie. So what did the Dixie end up doing? Remember, when the Dixie goes up, bad for SPY and QQQ, more than likely those are going to pull if Dixie is going up and vice versa. So if we're looking at Dixie, a couple weeks ago, I said specifically that I want to see this thing pull back to that 61.8% retracement. Once it gets to that level, then we're going to reevaluate the overall market. So what ended up happening, came down to the 61.8, does exactly what it typically likes to do. It likes to break below it, reclaim the level. When it reclaims the level, that's when you go long with a stop loss right below this low right here. So Dixie has been going up the last 2 days. And as a result, that puts pressure on SPY and QQQ. So that's something that we have to be very, very careful about. So if Dixie continues to go up, market is going to pull. 830. $DXY. Yeah, that's why I ended up flipping from short to long on USD JPY. And it did, what, 60 pips yesterday? Over 60 pips yesterday. So, actually, what is that? 70? Hold on, let me see where I got filled at. 144.49. So what is that? Almost 70 pips. Yeah. Pretty close. But yeah, it looks super bullish. So gotta wait and see. With these job reports, kind of just waiting for that. And then we're gonna go from there. But remember, bad is good for the market. We can look at some setups, but somebody said Amazon was squeezing. Yes, it is. Kind of bounced in between that trend or those two trend lines all day and then ended up breaking below. So don't really care about that for now. We do have a new upper trend line right there. I guess, let's see. No, we'll keep that 1 hour trend line right there. But I do like that. We'll see what happens. If the market pumps, Amazon is definitely something I'll go to. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Amazon. Hold on. That coin yesterday ripped. I didn't even trade coin because the spreads were really wide. They were like 70 wide, or not 70 wide, 40 wide when I was looking at it. But once it broke above the level, they narrowed so quick and it just went insane. And I missed that whole move as an L. Yeah, we're done past that. Anyways, 1 hour squeeze like that. Coin. I have no idea. I didn't keep track. Coin. That's my flex, though. I might not own a Ferrari. Why did my Alexa come on? No. Might not own a Ferrari, might not own super expensive clothes, but one thing I don't got to worry about is when it comes to, bills and stuff like that, or paying for the wedding. Never kept track. Still stuffed up. But feeling a lot better. Let's see. Nvidia. Maybe below 126.5. Maybe. Nvidia question mark. Meta, and then Tesla, and then we should get ready for the news. Meta looking a little bullish, getting above those 1 hour moving averages, squeezing on the 4 hour. Again, squeezes that I want to watch. And then let's look at Tesla real quick. Let's get the futures pulled up and let's get ready for the news. Tesla 1 hour squeeze that I want to pay attention to. All right. Pull up the futures and boom. Alrighty. It's a big candle. They already dropped the news or something. Maybe they're just getting prepared. I follow a few people on Twitter that post it. USD JPY. All right, we got 40 seconds. They call me up and tell me the news. You didn't know that? CNBC, they specifically call me and let me know. That's a really whack candle, let me tell you. Alrighty. 2 seconds. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Holy. Look at USD JPY. Oh my God. Good thing I don't actually have my stop loss in. Oh, if this thing blows through this 13, hold up. Can it do it? Go through it. Go through yesterday's high. It's moving so quick that my Forex isn't even... It's not even comprehending how it's moving right now on my Forex account. That's funny. It's off by 15 pips. That's crazy. All right, so non-farm payrolls 263,000 versus 315,000. Estimate 255,000. Unemployment 3.5% versus 3.7%. So, let's see. U.S. non-farm payrolls way under the previous, over estimates. We got to see how the market is going to sit here and digest it. Got to see how they digest. Something with the Fed rate hike futures just happened too. Hold on. Let's look at this. How many people we got in here? 240. How many likes we got? 104. Got to keep clicking that like button. Anyway, so apparently these just spiked to an 85% or no, a 92% chance that we get 75 basis points in November. So this hasn't updated yet. This is coming straight from Twitter. But that's something that we need to watch. What are they pricing in for the end of the year? Around 450. We're currently at 300. We have 2 meetings yet. They would have to do 75 basis points if they're going to get it to 450. Anyways. So, give the market a couple more minutes, see how we digest this, and then we'll look for our setups. The dollar is going to be the most important. Remember, if this continues to go up, it's going to be very bad for SPY and QQQ. Let's see how our squeezes ended up going. All right, so we're falling below the moving averages. We're still squeezing. Got that little mini head and shoulders. Yeah, I know. AMD had some bad news as well. Anyways, all right. So, let's go through the list, see what we're liking, what we're not liking, then we'll go from there. Go back up to that Amazon. I mean, that Amazon's still holding relatively nice. I think if the market can recover and Amazon can crack 121, that's going to be huge. We'll see with Amazon. How do you send me a wedding gift? You can donate to the channel, but that's about it. Coin, I'd be interested only if it came up back up to 74. Nvidia broke my level. unfortunately. So nothing on a video. We'll take that off. And then let's see, we have Meta. Yeah, Meta's holding nice. I gotta put USD JPY on the other chart. Let's see. If you really want to donate, you can just donate through my channel. There's like a little PayPal thing that you can click on. But to be honest with you, Meta's actually looking pretty strong. It's coming right back up. So I want to watch this. Meta. Tesla. There you go. Oh, I greatly appreciate you, B-Cart. You're the GOAT. Thanks for the donation, my man. I mean, Tesla's holding there. It's all holding relatively nicely. Again, thank you, B-Cart. You're a GOAT. But it's holding relatively nicely to the upside. We can see with Tesla that we have this strong support zone right here. I'd really only be interested if we cracked below 233.27, but if we crack above 240, I think it can make a nice upside move. We're going to be using that for Jamaica, best believe. But let's see, let's go through the watch list. We got AMD squeezing everywhere. Why did it say it was squeezing everywhere? It's not. Never mind. Disregard that. AMD now. Actually, if AMD could pump, I'd look for a reject at 65.96. That would actually be really nice. Oh, this USD JPY is about to break, and I am about to bank. Break for me, baby. Anyways, AMD, very interested in a reject there. We got, yep, Amazon's on the list. Google's got 10-minute squeeze, 15, 1 hour, 30, 4 hour. Somebody also keep me updated on the futures. Just let me know if they start dumping or if they pump. Let's see, Google, not really interested in. We looked at Meta, Microsoft's in a 15-minute squeeze, so not really concerned with that. Yeah, don't care about Microsoft. Netflix, I mean, Netflix is still squeezing. It's still in the 4-hour squeeze. It's still in the daily. I'm going to try to snag a swing going into the earnings report. It's going to be a spread, but I like it. Looks really good. Again, real quick, in case you guys are new to the channel and did not know, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list. Plus, I have over 800 videos teaching you how to trade the market. So if you're not taking advantage of all this free content and you're not subscribed, make sure to do so. If not, I'm sorry. That's all I gotta say. But Netflix, when this squeeze fires, whether it be up or down, it's going to be big. It's been squeezing for 18 days. Yeah, video got wrecked. Yep. Remember, Dixie is the most important thing to watch. Let's see. Oxy. Doesn't look too bad. Oxy. PayPal don't care about. Roku don't care about. Shopify. Looks like it's not going to break out. All right, well, it looks like that 1 hour is going to fire down and the 4 hour is going to fire down if we can't reclaim those moving averages. It was holding up nicely, but it looks like it's trying to slip. All right, cool. Let's see. Amazon, Coin, Meta, Tesla, AMD, and Oxy. Let's narrow the list. What do we like? What do we not like? Obviously, SPY and QQQ are always the go-tos. I would honestly say Amazon can hold up and break that level, that would be amazing. Coin, same thing. If it could recover and get back up at 74, would be interested. Meta depend, like, again, the stocks, most of them look like they want to come up, but SPY and QQQ, they're looking really weak right now. Let's watch 233.27 for a bounce for Tesla. Yeah, good. I want the Dixie to fly. USD JPY. It's about to print. That's why you guys need to start trading Forex. It's literally free money on the side. All I do is basically swing trade this stuff. I'll take a day trade every once in a while. Like yesterday, I took a day trade, but a majority of it's just swinging. $229.18 if we crack below. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so Tesla, we're going to watch this both ways. Alrighty. Who's adding me in the chat? I have a couple. They don't really do good. That's why I don't make them. Anyways, Tesla watching 233.27 for a possible bounce. If it breaks below there. Yeah, shop was invalidated. Never broke the flag. Let's see if it breaks below there. I'll look for puts. Price target equal 230.12, 229.18. Thank you for the subscribe. Or calls above 239.7. Price target equal 243.34, 244.58, 245.64. Boom. I use Owanda and IG, but I'm thinking about opening up a new account on Forex.com, like 5 or 10 grand, and trading with it with everybody in Team Bull. Anyway, so I like Tesla. We'll watch that. AMD. Like I said, I'd be really interested in a 66 reject. Got too close to that bounce level. Oxy. Let's see. Oh, Oxy had a huge day yesterday. Good morning. I mean, you can. It's just, we got to be careful today. See how SPY and QQQ are looking. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button, subscribing to the channel. Yeah, those squeezes are going to fire down. Sorry to say. They're definitely firing down. 1 hour squeeze done, fired down. Alright, Amazon. You getting smacked, buddy? Yeah, you're getting smacked. Slightly smacked. Yeah, coin's getting smacked too. I'll set an alert up here though. Coin, Meta. Might just be a spying QQQ kind of day. I'll be okay taking the day off too. It's because I finally feel better. I feel like ass the last couple days. Come on, USD JPY. So close to just ripping. Thank you for the subscribe. Yeah, we done broke that. See, the thing is, it makes it hard when news comes out to find like proper levels. I'm gonna put AMD on watch. If it can pump and get up to like 66, I'll be very interested. Six. There we go. It's breaking out now. AMD watching reject 56. There we go, baby. Coming up on 80 pips. Let's go. That's a fat morning to start off, baby. I like it. I don't even know if any of you are still in this thing with me. I need more friends to trade Forex. Anyways, AMD, I'll only be interested at 66. And then... Huh. I use the same exact strategy. It's just Forex is so much easier. Again, I'm only here because of you guys. If I wasn't in Team Bull and I didn't have a YouTube channel, I wouldn't be here today. But gotta be here for y'all. Even when I'm in Jamaica, I will still be here trading. I love what I do too much. Forex is better. I'll fight you over that. Let's see. Amazon. I think that's probably going to be everything I got today. Coins getting demolished. Ignore that. Meta. I learned Forex from somebody that I used to go to the gym with, but I'll tell you what, the best Forex trader on YouTube is Swaggy C. If you guys don't know who Swaggy C is, you need to watch him. Unfortunately, I think he's quitting social media and everything. So that he might be deleting all of his YouTube videos. I'm unsure about that. But he's the guy that kind of like made Forex click more to me. But I learned it from somebody else. If you guys already know Swaggy C, he's an absolute GOAT. Somebody I look up to big time in the Forex community. Mamba's, yeah, he's a different... Mamba's different. He's a beast, though. Mamba and Swaggy C. But yeah. Shout out Swaggy. No, we don't want this adult site. Get out of here. Hold up. Put you in timeout again today. Can we hit 200 likes today? What you guys think? We got 364 people. How about as a wedding gift, you guys run it up to 200 likes and all of you click that subscribe button. I think Oxy. I don't know who Roll is. Actually, Exxon doesn't look too bad for a bounce. If Exxon could pull back to like 100, I'd be very interested in that. Actually, if we could get that whole psychological bounce at 100, it's pretty steep pullback. We can also watch like 101, but let's see. Exxon watching bounces at 101 or 100. Not really seeing any A+ setups. Going to take it light and easy today. Cool. That's what I got today. I'm gonna hang out here for a couple minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Yeah, Dixie's moving big time. Honestly, actually, what I'm gonna use the tick roll. Yeah, I'm gonna use the tick roll. We sold off really hard. Tick roll is in play today. Costco looks good. Let's see, hold on. Ah, crap. Oh, there we go. Okay. I thought I accidentally bought more USD JPY. Sold it. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. I took off more. Beautiful. Pocketed some nice cash this morning. Yeah, so basically with the tick rule, what I'm watching in the morning is if the tick opens at like negative 1700 or below negative 1500, there's a very high probability that the market is going to pump. And at least until tick gets to zero. Now, it doesn't happen every time. I'm just saying there's a higher probability. If you don't know how to use a tick, then don't use this setup. You need to know how to use it. So one of two things can happen. Actually, one of three things. It could completely ignore this and just continue to dump. I've seen that. I've also seen where the market just kind of consolidates until tick gets back to zero and then it dumps from there. Or it just rips right off the open until tick gets to zero and then it chooses direction. That's mainly what I see, but there are, those times where it does not work out. I just had a voice crack. But yeah, so I'll drop the watch list. Again, not really any A+ setups. If anything, I'm gonna watch the tick rule, Tesla bounce. If I don't see any good setups today, I simply will take the day off and go set up. So yeah, like I said, I would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. Plus, I love what I do every morning. So, but I guess I'll hang out for a couple minutes, answer any questions you guys got. Other than that, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, use your own proper risk management, do your own due diligence, trade safe, trade smart, don't lose your capital. But yeah. $TICK. What else we got? Or is everybody good? Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Carhorns, CARWHORNS. And then, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys have not gotten a copy yet, make sure to do so. I'm going to drop the link here in the chat in a second. Copy, boom, right there. So make sure to check out the book. 1 hour squeeze is firing down, 4 hour squeeze still hasn't fired down. It's going to be a weird day. That's why we got to trade safe, trade smart, no A+ setups, take no trades. Weed stocks, I don't trade them, never will. Cool. Well, I'm going to make my G Fuel. And then, yeah, everybody have an amazing day. If you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes.